Come on, show us your muscles. 8, 8. That was it. All right.
No, you meant to do that. It was only an accident.
Can you sit down and show Daddy your muscles, please? Come on. Come on, you goofball. Muscles. Where are those muscles? Hey. 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 Show us your muscles. Goofy, sit down. Show us your muscles. Come on. Show Daddy your muscles. Come on. Anthony, show Daddy your muscles.
Did you actually do it?
Anthony, look at Mommy. Hey. Silly. Anthony. Hey. Show Daddy your muscles. Come on, buddy. Show Daddy your muscles. Like you. Do it again. Show Daddy your muscles. Anthony Orange House. It was so good. Anthony. Hey.